In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Things3 so you would know which one is better. So these two are excellent apps for personal productivity. For Things3, it is known for its elegant design and seamless experience on Apple devices. It is simple, fast, and perfect for users who want a minimal task manager that feels native to Mac OS and iOS. On the other hand, TickTick is available across all major platforms and offers more built-in tools like a Pomodoro timer, calendar view, and habit tracker. While Things3 is great for visual clarity and ease of use, it lacks some of the advanced planning features found in TickTick. If you're fully within the Apple ecosystem and love beautiful design, then Things3 is a top-tier choice. But if you want cross-platform support with more features in one app, then TickTick is likely to meet more of your needs. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.